Hey everybody, we're outside the shop doing a sound signature test between the brand new Luxe X and the CS2. Everybody thinks those are the two that'll be competing against each other, so let's get them next to each other and shoot them, and you guys can hear the difference between the two. So let's go ahead and shoot the X. Let's move it away from the barrel so that it doesn't make that much of a noise down there. One more time. There you have it. Let's do some other tests on it. Stay tuned for more videos on the Luxe X and sgear.com.